You're spending too much time and too much money creating financial reports only to have to create and modify them again the next month or quarter. You're not alone. Many organizations come to me with the same issue, and the solution is real simple. Create automated reports that not only show your numbers, but also show the commentary associated with it. Let's take an example of a January report that we have. We have our numbers here. We have our commentary off to the side. We can just go to our underlying data sheet. We can change this from January to February. We'll see that our numbers automatically updated to our February numbers in here. We can publish our changes. When we jump back to our presentation, we see that not only has this slide changed February 2023 versus 2022, all of our numbers have updated along with the commentary. There's, at the push of a button, you can have all of your financial presentations and documents updated. We're building out a learning series here on LinkedIn, so please comment with any tips and tricks that you might have to alleviate these types of issues. Thanks.